Today we have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata here in the shop. We see Hyundai in shop quite often for a variety of audio problems, but today the problem we're having is no audio. And we have turned the radio on. The radio works, but there is no sound. So the first thing we did was to check to see if there was an amplifier in this car. And as we went down the side of the car, we noticed that it had been a little dent here on the side. And we went to the trunk and pulled the tail light cover off just to see if we have the amplifier. And looking back here in the side panel where the little hit was, we do have an amplifier here. Since we do have the amplifier, the next thing we did was go right up to the front hood. We disconnected the battery for about 10 minutes and then hooked it back up, and when we came back we have audio. So hope this video has been helpful with a no audio problem for Hyundai. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.